Welcome to the YouTube traffic video. Now, during this video, I'm going to be discussing a cool little method and strategy that I use to drive all kinds of targeted traffic to my website using YouTube. Okay, now this doesn't involve creating any videos or any complex situations, and we're actually going to take advantage of everyone else's hard work. All right, this method works extremely well, and I am sure that you're absolutely going to love it. Okay, now first of all, why even bother with YouTube? Well, YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, just behind Google. They have over 1 billion unique visitors per month, which is a lot of traffic. Over 100 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute. And more importantly, there are all kinds of people, an insane large amount of people that have absolutely no marketing skills like we do, but their videos are highly ranked and they are getting a lot of visibility, a lot of views, and they're just not taking advantage of it. And that's okay, because we are going to reach out to them and take advantage of those views for them. Now, basically the method consists of this. We are going to find videos that have a lot of views, but the video creator is not taking advantage of those views. We are going to reach out. We are going to offer them some kind of currency, some money or some kind of partnership. In return, they're going to place our link, our website link, in their description. Okay, pretty simple. I know it sounds simple. It sounds kind of like common sense that someone would have a website link in their description. But believe it or not, it's common sense for us because we are marketers, but it is not common for people who are not marketers. They just have the video up, they're getting all kinds of views, and they're just excited because they're getting all those views. All right, so when we come to them and offer them some money to put a link in their description, it's usually a no-brainer for them because they're like, hey, awesome, yes, I will accept your money just to put a link in my description. Absolutely no problem. Okay, so they're going to put a link in their description, and it's a win-win situation. So what we are looking for is videos in your niche, obviously related to your product, your squeeze page. I like to target videos that are a little bit older, that have at least 10 to 15,000 views. Okay, you want them to have some traffic and have some views. Obviously, we want them to have no link in their description. If they have a link in the description, it's pointless for us to reach out to them because they already know the value of marketing, or someone else has already reached out to them. So we want to find someone that has at least 10 to 15,000 views. They have no link in their description, and we want something that is trending upwards. So we're going to look at the video statistics, and we want to find something that's actually getting views and is kind of going upwards instead of falling off or falling flat. That means the video is continuing to grow, and it will be a very profitable investment for us to go ahead and reach out to them and offer them some money to put a link in their description. And then once we find one of these videos that meet our criteria, we want to reach out to them on YouTube or Facebook. If their real name is on YouTube, maybe we can find them on Facebook. We want to send them a message, and basically you're going to say, hey, I have an awesome website, I have a free course, I have a free report that your audience is going to absolutely love. So how about I give you $10, or I give you $20, or I give you $100, and you put this link in your video description. Okay, now the price that you offer obviously is going to depend on A, how many views they have and how many views they're getting, B, how important or targeted their keyword is. If this keyword is a very common keyword and they're ranking high and they're getting thousands of views per day, you are obviously going to want to offer a little bit more money than a video that's getting 10 or 20 views per day, a long tail keyword. Okay, so that kind of depends on how popular and profitable the video is going to be. But you can just offer an amount for, you can go monthly, $20 a month, put their link in the description. You can go yearly or maybe forever, it's completely up to you. Just kind of discuss it and negotiate with the video creator until you guys, meet at a means. Now, also, I just want to point out that this job here, this is perfect for, your assistant. If you have a, virtual assistant, this is perfect for you to kind of outsource it and just have them go out and find these videos for you and have them reach out to these people for you so that you can be getting your website link, spread it out all over these different, niche related videos without actually having to do any work. Now, let me go ahead and go in here and jump in here and show you how to actually find a video that meets this criteria. So for example, I like to go over to Google and I put how to change car oil, and then it's going to be on web by default. I just went ahead and clicked on videos, and it's going to give me all these different videos related to how to change your car oil. Now let's say that I have, some kind of mechanic report, that I'm trying to build my list for. I'm focusing on, mechanics or, some kind of, engines or things like that. This might be, a targeted audience that I would like to, go after. So this first one here, let's go ahead and click on it and see if it meets our criteria. So as we can see, they kind of have a lot of views, 260,000 views. That's really good. And we see that there's absolutely no link in this description. All it says is leaving your oil changes to teenagers at the gas station. Never again. Watch this video and learn how to do it yourself. All right, so this is great. They are not taking advantage at all of these 260,000 views they've received. Now, to look at the statistics to see if this is trending upwards, we can click on the More option here, and then we're going to click on Statistics, and it's going to show us how many views it has over the course of time. And we can see, which is what we're looking for, that it's steadily going up, okay? That means that they are continuing to get views each and every day. If it just kind of falls flat and gives you a straight line going across, that means it kind of died off and no one is viewing this video. But as we can see here, it's just going up and going up and going up. That means they are getting views, hundreds of views, thousands of views each and every day. They have no link in their description. So this is the perfect video for us to reach out and say, hey, I'll give you $15 a month. Just go ahead and put my link in your description. My link is it's going to redirect to my website where I am offering a free course on car mechanics, how to do this, how to do that, how to change your tire, how to do all these different things to your car. Your audience is going to absolutely love it. And at the same time, you're getting paid to have my link in your description. They say yes, you send them the money, you send them your link, and then you move on to the next video. Pretty simple, right? And then we could go back here and we can find another video that has, at least 10 to 15,000 views and no link in their description. Like I said, I know it sounds simple, but when you have your link spread it out over 25 to 50 different videos that are all getting hundreds or thousands of views per day, that is a lot of traffic that is going to be seeing your link. Okay, I know doing it on one video doesn't seem like it's going to make an impact at all, but having your link across 20, 30, 40 different videos related to your niche, that's thousands of visitors and eyes seeing your link in your website every single day. And the power of that is just unbelievable, okay? So like I said, this is easy to outsource it to your virtual assistant if you don't feel like doing it yourself. And this is just another strategy that I use to drive thousands of visitors to my website every single month.